All right, everyone, a quick update on Fort here. So, keeping it real simple on Fort. If we bring this other fib back up, let me bring it up. You can see that right now on this weekly candle, currently sitting at 15.6, we're down 6% on the week. As long as we're below the macro 3 at 2 at 16, down to about 15.9 at the low to the high 618. If this weekly candle closes below that after breaking the uptrend and back testing it as resistance, that could tell us, which could be the case here, that we're coming back down to the 236 at 12, even down 12.5, even down to 12 here to the 786. So I would look for about a 23 to 24% drop on Fort as long as you're below this 16 level. And of course, you know, we cannot be bullish on Fort until we're back over that macro 382 there. And until we break back over the trend line here and back pretty much over the 0.5 at 19.7, there is no momentum up. We cannot be bullish on this thing right now. But like I said, I would look for that drop down. Now, one other thing we could do, if you wanted a smaller price to watch, we could draw a tiny fib. Let me go to the 3-day chart. And the most recent of price action here, you can see that we do have, if we go from the low to the high here, a 618 also right here at about 15.8, and then we have a 786 at 14.5. So to keep up this market structure that is trying to form here, if it comes down to 14.5 and bounces, that could be a good sign that we're going to hold here or go back up. But any lower than that, then you're most likely than not coming back down to that macro 236. That's just giving you guys another price to kind of watch, maybe another DCA price, just in case it does bounce here. And as I always say, now's not the time to be selling. If you want to win at this crypto game, you got to start buying when nobody else is buying, when nobody else wants Fort right now because it is going down. These are the times to be getting that discount and loading your bags up here. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. How high is Fort going to go this cycle? We do have our target we're looking at here. Let me zoom back out to the weekly chart just to get an overall view. And the overall chart, as we know, you can see it's curled up here. It looks bullish, even though we are pulling back here. We're still maintaining the higher low scenario, as of now at least. Now, the first target we have here is the 1618. And let me move this up since we did move from the last update back up. You can see that if we hit the 1618 and come up to the price of $1.36, then that's going to give you a 583 million market cap and almost a 9x on your investment here. And if you think this thing's going to make a $1.8 billion market cap, so almost a $2 billion market cap up to the 2272, that's going to take you up to about 424, and a very decent 27x on your investment for Fort here. So Fort is a good one. We're watching it closely, of course. We're bullish on it. What are your thoughts? Comment down below, and none of this is financial advice. Peace out.